This is the new credit card system that we have at Limited Resources. So this is an introductory video. So the base model comes with the circuit board and the LCD screen. Just want to go over all the different connections that you can run with this. Here is a water valve connector, which looks like this, and you can connect anything with 9 volts to 12 volts. A water flow sensor, which is looks something like that, and a coin acceptor. And this is our current red timer that we provide, and that looks like this. And these are all the connectors for it. Here is a contact connector. You're able to control a 120 volt device from it. This takes a 24 volt input and connects to a contactor. There's two different types of power sources you can apply. The first one being a direct source, as you can see there, and it takes 3 inputs. That will look like a connector that looks something like this. And then we also have a regular connector that we use in terms of like a wall adapter that can be used in AC, and its connector looks like this. So you can simply plug it in. It also has a current sensor located here. This module also has a OLED screen and also an NFC connection. So when you buy one of these, you can download our free app off the App Store and Android Store, and connect this to anything, and you can charge basically for electricity and water usage, and or use the contactor wire to connect to any device.